What HVAC advice do professionals wish every homeowner knew? Professionals wish every homeowner would change air filters regularly, schedule yearly maintenance, keep outdoor units clear, and act quickly when something seems wrong. A clean filter helps air move through your home and keeps your heating and cooling system from working too hard. Check the filter every month, especially if you have pets, allergies, or construction nearby, and replace it when it looks dirty. Do not automatically choose the thickest or most expensive filter, because a filter that is too restrictive can reduce airflow and strain the system. Keep at least 2 feet of space around the outdoor unit by removing leaves, grass, furniture, and other objects. Once a year, have a qualified professional inspect the system, clean important parts, test safety controls, and check refrigerant and electrical connections. Small problems are usually less expensive to fix before they damage a compressor or heat exchanger. One lesser-known detail is that blocked supply vents and closed doors can change pressure throughout the house, making some rooms uncomfortable and increasing system stress. You can help by keeping vents open, checking unusual noises or smells, and writing down when problems occur before calling for service. A common mistake is waiting until the system completely stops. So schedule service when you notice weak airflow, short cycles, water leaks, or unusual sounds. Another mistake is using a random replacement filter. So match the size and airflow rating listed by the manufacturer. Some homeowners also pour cleaning chemicals onto the outdoor coil or try electrical repairs themselves, which can cause damage or serious injury, so turn off the system and call a qualified technician for those jobs. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, JobIt Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.